Hello, Richard here from Ngrs Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokumari HK416 Ngrs, and this has had, read my paperwork. So it came in with the gun in a little bit of a state, and also a separate gearbox, and there was quite a sort of so the requests were to transfer over some parts from one gearbox to another to ultimately get, like I say, a combined working gun. So we've redone the wiring on the gate Mosfet because that had been cut, so obviously that needed new wiring, so we've done that. We've got a new cylinder head because we deemed that obviously the old one was not good enough, so we've put a FPS cylinder head in. We've got the there's one power spacer just to bump up the FPS, so it's 281 on 2.8s, because while we're in there, well, why not, you know, get a bit more FPS for you, speed to target, which is always good. The castle nut cracked when we were doing that up, so that's been replaced with the Laylax stronger castle nut, because sometimes they do break. We've got the Psionic hot rubber. When we've done range testing, the groupings and range was not especially amazing. Original TM hot rubbers in there that were probably quite dirty as well, so we've replaced those with the new Psionic AEG Thor rubber. So hopefully you see some improved range and accuracy, improved speed to target, just all of the above. We did note that the gun felt a little bit lackluster with regards to its recoil effect. We even checked to see if there was a recoil weight in there, you know, so it's a bit confusing. So we've installed a upgraded recoil spring in there from Eagle 6, just to see if we can, you know, make that feel a bit more lively for you. And yeah, it's a weird one. Obviously you test a lot of guns and you sort of get a feeling for obviously how it should and shouldn't work, and sometimes I say you can't quite put your finger on it, but you know, the guns have got their own personality, and you know, this one has got its. So but hopefully it's all come together now and all back together, and like I say, looking like a gun again, and hopefully you should have no issues. And just, you know, we've obviously range tested it, so we're just going to demonstrate it working now. There we go, so we're all working. Any problems, let us know, but hopefully you have fun and enjoy. Thank you.